everybody, I'm here doing a quick video because somebody had asked me to show them how to graph this equation. So y equals -2/5 x minus 2. So we're going to break this down so that you understand how to graph, because this is something that's huge in algebra class and it is a very big skill that people really struggle with. So the first thing you want to start with is the end of this equation. This right here, the -2 in this case, is what's called your y-intercept. So this right here is where you're going to want to start with when you're focusing on this. I shorten that for y-int, so that means y-intercept. But that is what is called your starting value or starting point. So what you're going to do is on your y-axis, you're just going to go to a -2, or starting from the origin, you're going to go down 2 spots into the negative, and that's where you're going to start your first point. So that's where you always want to make sure you begin with. And then once you do that, you then look at your rise over your run, and that's called your slope. So the number that's in front of x is your slope. So in this case, you can see that there is a -2/5. Now, I get asked the question a lot, where does the negative go? Well, you can put it either on the top number, the numerator, or you can put it on the bottom number. It doesn't matter as long as you just put it in one spot. So it can either be a -2 over a +5, or you can start with a +2 and a -5. So what that means is your rise over your run is going to determine which way you go. So if I decide from this point, because that's where you're going to start with, that I want to use that -2, what I'm going to do is your rise, which is in this case a -2, I'm going to go down 2 spots. And then that would give me my fall. And then my run, which is left and right, because it's a +5, I will go to the 5 that way. So I've gone down 2, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I put a dot right here. Now, I don't have to keep going. I have 2 points. That's enough to get me my straight line. But I'm going to just show you again. You go down another 2, and then you go over 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you can put another dot right here. It's basically you're making a little staircase. Now, I can also go in this direction if I wanted to as well. So if I wanted to do that, I could just go back to my starting point, and I can use the up 2. That would be your rise. So I could go up 2 spots, but now I'm going to do a run of -5. So that means I'm going to go this way on the x-axis. So I've gone up 2, and now I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, put a dot right here. And you can see that all these are in alignment with each other. And then I can go up another 2. And again, I don't need to keep doing this, but I'm going to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's another point right here. And then all these can be connected as your straight line on your graph. And if you want more questions like these, find them on my YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok at U1Algebra. These are all going to be located in the equation, graphing linear equations playlist. Don't forget to share, like, follow me for more. Save this for later, and I'll see you soon.